How to use Instagram Reels. Step 1, close Instagram. Step 2, open up TikTok. Step 3, never think about Instagram Reels again. I'm just kidding. We're going to talk about Reels versus TikTok. We're going to dive on into the pros, cons, what Reels looks like, feels like, how I see it progressing in the future, what my Reels are performing like. We're going to dive on into all of that and more. Let's cue that intro. And while that intro is cueing, drop your Instagram handle and or your TikTok handle in the comments beneath this video. Let's do this. I'm Rachel Pedersen, social media and TikTok expert, but enough about me. I know that you're here to learn all about Reels versus TikTok. Instagram recently launched Reels, which is a competitor to TikTok, and I have a lot of questions, and we're gonna dive on into what I've learned about TikTok. Now, I'm gonna give you guys a heads up. I'm gonna try not to be biased, even though I spend most of my waking day on TikTok, and I have 335,000 followers and have so much fun there. I'm gonna try so hard not to be biased towards TikTok as my favorite short video solution, short format video content, but I have to let you know I am a little bit biased. So we're gonna real fast locate where Reels is inside of the Instagram app. Okay, I don't really see it. Let's go to my home screen. Yeah, I'm not seeing it. This is really weird. Instagram's made it very difficult to locate it. Let's check in here. Okay, looks like I found the first one. Oh man, and it's really just a reposted TikTok. Wow. Wow, that girl can shake it. Awesome. So I'm gonna scroll on down through my Discover or Explore tab, and I see a couple of videos. It looks like there's a video about Reels every 10 to 20 photos. And that's the only place that Reels comes into play. Is it up at the top? No, it's not even there. Okay, so Instagram is really missing out on showcasing Reels and making it like an obvious part of their culture. It's hard to even find it. Like, I don't know what to do from here. I'm gonna try just clicking on one and seeing what happens. Okay, so that worked. That brought me to Reels. Okay, so what? Am I on like the For You page of Reels now? Okay. So we're gonna take a peek at some of these things. It looks like these videos are very similar to TikToks. This one was a TikTok with text added over the top of it. Oh, she's a famous TikToker. I love glitter and lasers. Okay, interesting. It looks like most of these are just either Instagram stories or TikToks that are reposted. What's hard for me is like not having a central location for Instagram Reels. Like I don't know where to always find them, how to find my friends' Reels, etc. It really feels like an afterthought. But let's go ahead and, so obviously there's some functionality down here. Let's go ahead and create a Reel. Oh, awesome. Okay, there we are. Let's do a Reel. Okay, so this would be how I create a Reel. I don't know what to say because I don't know what's cool on Reels. I don't know what the trends are. To me, it just looks like everything is reposted TikToks. Actually, you know what? I bet this is a really good Reel. Let's roll with it. And we've got our very first Reel. Okay, so now that I've filmed this and I've added some text, it looks like the same options with like stickers, drawing, text are similar. Let's go ahead and hit next. Oh, and then we get to write a caption. Okay, so I can either share it so it shows up in Explore on my Instagram story, yes or no? I actually can't tell. And then maybe share it to my feed. And I'm gonna go ahead and create a clever caption. My thoughts on Instagram's Reels summarized by me recording a Reel. Now, one of the things I do like about Reels is that we have the ability to use up to 30 hashtags, and it doesn't matter how long those hashtags are. So it's similar to Instagram's posts, and that increases the discoverability. So I'm excited about that. Let's go ahead and post this video. All right, so I'm gonna share it to my feed. I feel a little bit weird about it, but let's try it and share. Okay, so it shows up as a reel, like as a post on my Instagram, and it looks like there is a section for reels here, which is nice. Okay, so that's cool. I actually like that. Now, I did do several reels over the last week. Only one of them I shared to my newsfeed. Let's take a peek at this. I want to see if I can see some analytics. Looks like, okay, it looks like it got 344 likes, 80 comments. Can I not see the analytics behind it? Hey, yo, where are analytics? No, yes, no. Okay, so apparently I can't see the analytics. Is there no way to see the analytics? Okay, so that's a major functionality that's missing. They can only be up to 15 seconds, and it looks like anyone who has a business Instagram is not getting music capability from the get-go. There are some people who have some music available. Most people are just reposting TikToks. Truth be told, I feel like Instagram and Facebook had such a long time to figure this out. They spent so long putting this together, and the ultimate launch, like for how long it took them, I would have expected a little more. I'm excited to see where it goes as they evolve and figure out kind of how to actually compete with TikTok. But truth be told, I don't see this being a major competitor to TikTok. Now, if you want some resources for how to grow on TikTok, I put together several resources in the bio beneath this video. Check them out. There are several available there for you. By the way, I want to hear your thoughts on Reels. Have you tried it? Have you had good results? I want to hear about your experiences on Reels in the comments beneath this video, because I'm open to changing my mind. I could be totally wrong, but this is my initial judgment and kind of thought process behind where Reels is going. If you enjoyed this video or want to learn more about social media and or TikTok, be sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Hey guys, I'm Rachel Pedersen. Enough about me. Actually, I don't even see it. Oh, it's taking a while to upload. Okay.